crossed your path today. I know I'm nothing really special, but I've got a lot to say. And that smile, how it holds me and catches me off guard. And that voice, how it molds me and shapes my broken heart. 'Cause you got a hold on me. Yeah, you got a hold on me. Yeah, you got a hold on me.
Steady!
And that's
Go!
okay. 'Cause I wouldn't
say it,
have
Mum.
it any other way.
Go!
I love the way you stain your t-shirts every time you eat, and nothing could replace the sight of you every night you sleep. 'Cause you've got a hold on me. Yeah, you've got a hold on me. Yeah, you got a hold on me. And that's okay, 'cause I wouldn't have it any other way.
Carry on. Yeah, it's alright.
Seasons know so well that we're holding on to past and present selves, remembering our youth, all the things we swore and said we'd never do.
Yay! That was quick. Well done. Speeding away from us in the mood. Marnie! Can you what?
All I knew in the
Okay.
oceans of a crowd you'd shine.
Should be picking them. That's enough, man.
And years like time fell through.
Marnie, that's enough now.
Despite myself, I fell in love with you.
Marnie, you're not meant to pick them.